Hi, my name is Dominic Bachinyama and welcome to Scholarship Avenue Official. In today's video, look at how to apply for a foreign scholarship by guiding ourselves with 8 frequently asked questions about foreign scholarship. Question 1. What is the first approach to foreign scholarship application? Question 2. What are the documents I will need before commencing a foreign scholarship application? 3. Which entities offer foreign scholarship to international students? 4. Do I need an admission to a abroad university before applying for a foreign scholarship? 5. What are the eligibilities for foreign scholarship application? 6. Where can I get updates on foreign scholarships? 7. Is there any local scholarship entity in Ghana that award a foreign scholarship? Last but not the least, what can result in the termination of a foreign scholarship? Join me as I bring to you the first 2 frequently asked questions on our list. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell. Let's proceed to have a solution to the first question, which is the first approach to a foreign scholarship application. 1. Search for a university that offers your program at least 3 different institutions. 2. Make some enquiries about the university with regards to its admission processes. Maybe they hold interview or not. 3. Search for some foreign available scholarships that you can apply after gaining admission. And last, use an active address and contact during your applications. Now we have a look at some websites that are available for us to search for these universities and its offered programs. 1. We have www.studyportals.com, and 2. We have www.uks.com. 3. We have www.topuniversities.com. 4. We have www.checkuniversities.com, and so many more websites. We hit on screen and stream through one of these websites. Let's hit on www.studyportals.com. Have the interface, and here we have for students, for institutions, careers, news and events, resources. But for our purpose, we are only looking at the means where we can search for our programs and then a university that offers that program. So we go to Start Course Search. Here we are. We scroll down. We have bachelor's programs, that is bachelor's portal. We have master's programs for master's portal. We have PhD and doctorate studies, that is for PhD portal. So for example, I'll go for search for masters. We have another interface here. Now you study this very well. The first section here, what do you want to study? And then the next section, that is where the country where you may want to have your study. So what do you want to study? You write your course there. For example, I have public health, where UK, then I'll go to search. Good. Now here we go. We can see down here we have list of universities in United Kingdom that offers public health. So we select the first one. Maybe this is the university that I may feel like applying. So you click on it, you wait. Good. Now we hit the University of Essex, and here we can check for the duration, which is 6-month course. Now this is the tuition fee and time of application. So here anytime you can apply. So we have some information here, that is overview, and then duration. So program structure, we have part-time 6 months. Now admission requirement, so you start date and then application deadline, meaning that you have all the information you need here. Yes, and this portal will help you to find a university and its offered program, which you can then log into the official university website and then do your application. With question 2, what are the documents I will need before commencing a foreign scholarship application? Now let's have answer to this question. 1. You will need a birth certificate, which is a basic requirement. 2. You will need a passport, which is very essential. 3. You will need academic results, being SSC or WASSCE, a degree or HND. 4. You need your results transcript. You request this results transcript from your institution. 5. Get an English proficiency from the university that you attend. A national service certificates. At times, some of these local scholarships do ask for before awarding a foreign scholarship to you as a local student. Last on the list is a supporting document. Know that it's not compulsory to add any supporting document, but if you do, it adds value to your application. Thank you for watching, and in our next episode we will look at the next solution to the 6 frequently asked questions about foreign scholarship application. Join our Telegram platform by clicking on the link found in the video description box to like, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell. Scholarship Avenue SA, making student dream a reality.